Hey guys, Devon here with RDS Automotive Group, and today I have with me a 2020 Aston Martin Vantage finished in intense blue. This color looks terrific. And something I've always liked about the Astons, we have this signature grille up front, and on the Vantage it looks particularly aggressive with it being so low to the ground and a size up, I would say, than previous Astons. And if you'll come with me along the side, we can see the optional 20-inch wheels with yellow brake calipers. And the yellow brake calipers really tie nicely with the intense blue. Get that nice pop on the wheels, but with the black wheels, kind of keeps it hidden. Then you have the whole blue complexion. It works very nicely. And this Vantage also has black style package, which gives gloss black accents along the bottom here, the mirrors, the front splitter. But come with me to the back. We can see it glow back here as well over the exhaust, and it works really well in the back, breaking up the whole complexion with the blue, black, and the splitter. An option on here, the rear splitter is finished in body color. That more dimensional look. And I have to say, the rear of this car is my favorite. I just think it's really aggressive, sporty. I love how Aston tied the taillight into the rear ducktail spoiler. Looks really sleek. Alright guys, if you want to hop with me into the cabin. We have the deviated blue stitching all throughout with the blue Aston headcrest on the seat. I'm a big fan of this central system here. It's fully redesigned for the new Vantage. Instead of a shifter, you have buttons for park, reverse, neutral drive, and the way it's angled almost gives a fighter jet cockpit feel. And something unique to all Astons, we have the seat adjustments on the center console instead of on the side of the seat or the door. When you hop in, you see it right away. No wondering how your seat's going to configure, so really nice touch with that as well. That's the 2020 Vantage, guys. Exterior, interior. Now we're going to take it out on the road and give you some feedback on how she feels. Driving the 2020 Vantage. Hopping in, one of the first things you notice is how much of a pocket feel you get. You really feel like you're sitting down, and with the doors angled up in, it cocoons you, and you feel so snug and secure. I also really like how the doors angle up. When you open them, almost like swan wings, so you don't have to worry about nicking the curb with such a low car, which is really cool on Aston's part. Driving wise, it's very responsive. You get a great engine note. Aston's known for their beautiful sounding exhausts. You get a little popple in there, crack. I don't know how much you guys can pick that up on the video, but it's nice. It's not too much. It gives you a sporty feel. This is a good place to be for a long trip, say down the beach or the Alps or wherever you may be going. I would give the Aston a 10 out of 10 as a Grand Tourer. It kills its segment. If you guys want to check out this Vantage, it will be available at Maserati of the Main Line at 215 West Lancaster Avenue in Devon, PA. Once again, I'm Devon with RDS Automotive Group, and thanks for tuning in today, guys. And be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to see more cool rides just like this. I'll see you next time.